your face turn red after drinking alcohol? Why? Is it because you're having a good blood circulation? Or you have a good energy flow? Or are you shy? No. This is actually known as alcohol flushing syndrome. Alcohol flushing syndrome, also known as Asian flush, affects about 36% of Northeast Asians, primarily Japanese, Chinese, and Korean. There are some variations in genetic code make them cannot metabolize alcohol effectively. Alcohol can be eliminated from the body by various metabolic mechanisms. A part of the mechanisms is through oxidative pathway. Basically, alcohol are metabolized into acetaldehyde with the presence of three primary enzymes that are alcohol dehydrogenase, cytochrome P450, and catalase. Then, acetaldehyde will further metabolize into acetate by the action of enzyme aldehyde dehydrogenase. Variations in the genes for these enzymes have been found to influence the alcohol consumption, alcohol-related tissue damage, and alcohol dependence.
Let's take a look at the genetic code for us first, Asian. The significant factor related to flushing syndrome is ALDH2 genotype. Individuals with 1 or 2 ALDH2 allele respond to alcohol consumption with flushing and other unpleasant reactions, while the ADH*1*2 allele was found to be relatively high in the Caucasoid. In Mongoloid and Australian Aborigines, ADH*1*2 gene is higher, and typical ALDH2 gene was widely prevalent among the Mongoloid. 80% of Asian people have a variant of the gene coding for enzyme alcohol dehydrogenase called ADH1B, but less common in Thailand and India. Almost all Japanese, Chinese, and Korean people have a variant of the gene called ADH1C. Both variants, which are ADH1B and ADH1C, in the presence of alcohol dehydrogenase enzyme, will convert alcohol to toxic acetaldehyde at a much higher efficiency than other gene variants. How about the genetic code for European? 15% to 25% of African Americans have ADH1B*2 and ADH1B*3, but they have less ADH1B*2 gene compared to Asian. So, conversion of alcohol is rapid and they metabolize alcohol slower than Asian. ALDH1A1*2 and ALDH1A1*3 are associated with alcoholism in African American people, whereas ADH1C*2 allele was believed can reduce oxidizing capacity. High activity of ADH have been found among 85% of the Japanese and Chinese population. Signs of Asian flush syndrome: facial blushing, rapid heartbeat, nausea, headache, abdominal pain, heartburn. Don't drink or drink moderately. Limit alcohol consumption. Avoid binge drinking. Choose drinks with less alcohol content. Eat before and or while you drink. Drink plenty of water and or alternate with non-alcoholic drinks.